Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to find and copy your Binance UID, which is your Binance user ID, in a very simple way. In less than 1 minute you're going to find it. So guys, before getting started, and this is the Binance app is loading, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get started. You have to be at the home page on your Binance app, and by the left side at that yellow user, you have to click it. Yes, so let's click it, and this will show up. As you can see, my account is verified. I'm going to see your user and you're going to see ID. Just click the ID, and this is my user ID. See, it's very simple in case you want to find your user ID, and this is 921801254. So in case you want to copy it, by the right side you need to see that copy close to the number, so you just have to just touch it and it's going to show copy successful. So guys, it's very simple. In case you want to know your username, and this is my username there, 22F57. so guys, you can see finding your Binance user ID is very simple. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Love you.